Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this curried eggplant dish on rice. And it's kind of an experiment, so I've never actually made this. Just thought it would be a good combination of foods and flavors. We got lentils in there and eggplant and lots of other great stuff for you. So yeah, check this out and stick around to the end when I tell you what it tastes like, because I don't know yet. Okay, so what do we need? We need some rice, some lentils. I've already pre-soaked and washed and rinsed both of these. And we've got a couple of onions, some carrots, some garlic, a few peppers, really trying to get the rainbow here, and then the eggplants. Let's get everything chopped up. We're going to put the rice and the lentils on the stove to get them boiling while I'm prepping all the other stuff. I forgot to mention that you'll need 2 tomatoes as well. So I got some, pretty good sized tomatoes here. And for the rice, I used 2 mugs worth of rice and 4 mugs worth of water. And for the lentils, I just had like one of the little packages. So just to give the portions. I've got the onions browning nicely with the no oil method that I've shown many times in other videos. And I've got my carrots all chopped up, ready to go. I'm going to add these in a second. The carrots and the onions are nice and caramelized, and I'm going to add the garlic, which I've chopped up kind of coarsely, just so that they don't burn as easy. We are ready for the peppers. The rice is done. I've set it to the side. The peppers are in here. I'm kind of just stirring them regularly, and the lentils are now done too. Sorry for the steam. And I'm going to set that to the side and then drain them, although there isn't really that much water left, so shouldn't be too much, but anyway. The peppers are nice and soft, and I'm going to add the eggplant. So I've strained the lentils, and I'm going to keep the water here because every once in a while I need to add some so the eggplant isn't going to stick. And I figure I may as well add this because all the nutrients from the lentils are, cooked out, and some of it is in the water, obviously, so I shouldn't say all the nutrients are cooked out, but some of them obviously go into the water, and you may as well add this instead of just water from the sink. So the eggplant's getting close to done. I'm going to chop up the tomatoes to like fine little pieces, and we're going to add that last, and then throw some seasonings in there. I'll show that to you next. We're ready to add the tomatoes. After like just 1 minute, now I'm going to add the lentils as well. I've added back the lentils and a little bit of the water that they cooked in. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for just like a couple minutes while I get the spices together. Okay, so there we go for the spices. We got a bunch of curry, we have some paprika, some caraway or fennel seed, salt and pepper. We're going to throw this in and give it a good stir, and we're pretty much done. So that's it. It's been simmering for a few more minutes. I'm going to turn it off and we'll let it cool a little bit, and then I'm going to put it out in a bowl. Alright, so yeah, it tastes great. I'm really happy with how this came out, and I'm really glad I was, kind of in the mood to mess around with something new. So I think the message for today is, just try to experiment. Figure out some stuff that you like and see if you can maybe make a new combination that you haven't tried before. Definitely recommend people, try getting creative in the kitchen. It really helps alleviate kind of boredom if you're stuck eating the same kind of foods. Especially for anybody who's kind of new to a vegan diet. You may be kind of used to cooking the same kind of 5 or 6 foods, throughout the week and not really changing it up. Trying a plant-based diet, going the whole foods route, whole plant food route, it could be a really good incentive for you to try out some new stuff, get some new spices, get some new ideas, look for, inspiration from different kind of cultures, and just give it a shot. And if you did make this and enjoy it, let me know. Really thankful for everybody's comments and support, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.